Hey guys, it's Chrissy here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to try something different today and I'm gonna try and do a deep side part ponytail. I'm gonna try and attempt that style that I mostly see people do with their wigs, with the deep swoop at the front. So I'm parting my hair to how deep I want the side part to be. See right here, that's how far back I did the parting, and now I'm just putting my hair in sections to work with. That way it's easier. The hair that I'm working with right now is an old twist out style, so my hair is somewhat in a stretched state. So once I put my hair in sections, I'll be able to manipulate it how I want. And I put the front sections away first, and then once I twist it up or use the scrunchie to put it away in place, I can work on the back section first. So for this tutorial, I will be using the Wetline Xtreme gel and of course my spray bottle with water. The Wetline Xtreme gel, it gives me great hold and I find it doesn't give me any flakes and it doesn't leave my hair crunchy and hard. But you can use any gel of choice that you know works for your hair. My hair is already moisturized with previous products to do the twist out, so right now I'm just hydrating with water. I did apply some castor oil to my edges just for that extra protection, since I will be using a lot of gel. And then I work on the back section first, and I do apply generously the gel after saturating my hair with the water. Yeah. Let me just say, like, if you don't like to use a lot of gel, this style probably isn't for you because it does require heavy use of it. I have never had any damage due to the use of gel. However, I don't abuse it, so I don't use it every day or every week. But you know your hair and what it can tolerate, so keep that in mind. So right here I'm just brushing my hair until I'm satisfied with how smooth it is. Since it is at the back and the other hair will be covering it, it doesn't really matter how perfect it is right here. I did use a rubber band to hold the back section. I use rubber band because it's thin, and I will be adding another hair tie in order to hold the final hair in place. And right here at the back, you can see there's no bulge. After I put the back section in place, that's when I now come to the front section. So I'm just adding a little more castor oil right here to the front of my hair. So now once again, I'm gonna heavily saturate my hair with water. That way my hair can be really weighed down and just easier to manage and manipulate to get that sleek, neat look. Yeah, the water got everywhere at some point, but it's cool, it's cool. And as I said before, this style does require a lot of gel. For this section, I added enough gel to the point it almost felt like it was a wash and go. So I raked the gel throughout this entire section. Unlike the back section where it was just the top part, this whole section throughout, I raked the gel right throughout my entire hair. And then I just use my brush and brush it through to add that section to the back section of the ponytail. I just used the rat tail comb to really give it that downward swoop rather than straight back. and then I just added everything to the back ponytail. Now the only permanent hair tie in my hair right now is the rubber band. This is more of a temporary ponytail because I will be adding the other pieces of my hair in. This brush has softer bristles, so it just gave me a neater look, you know. But use what you have. Yeah, I was really feeling myself right here. I was so happy. So this section right here is the harder section, and I separated in two. That small part over there will be the soup so to speak. Even though there is more hair on this side, we don't want to be able to tell, so this is why I added so much water and more gel to this section to really be able to lay this section down, okay? Because you don't want to have like an uneven head, like a bulge on one side and one side is flat. That's not going to be cute. So we want it laid down. All right, so again, adding gel to the point where it feels like a wash and go. So really it's the front section that has like a lot of gel. The back section doesn't really have much. And as you can tell, I'm not really like combing through my hair because it's not like tangled or anything like that. If your hair is tangled, it's best to comb through. But personal preference, my hair will just become a lot harder to manage if I do comb it straight through, because then I'll have more frizz. So I just use the comb and comb through the parts where I need it to be flat and a bit more smooth, like in this front section right here. Yeah, more gel. And here we are at the last section of hair that we will be working with. So I did add some extra moisturizer to this section of hair. I did use the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream. So I added the extra moisturizer to this section because I will be manipulating it more than any other section of my hair. Plus I wanted to be able to really smooth down and give me that swoop at the front. I completely saturated this section with water and completely combed through the entire section because I could not afford to have any kind of lumps or tangles or anything like that in this section. Now for this section, I'm just using my brush to manipulate my hair to really give that desired swoop that I want. And at first it's a bit difficult, but eventually you'll get it. If it helps, you can use bobby pins to help hold the hair in place while you do this at the side section. If you wish to bring the swoop section further down on your forehead, that's a personal preference. Do you? I just don't want to put like all that gel on my forehead, so where it is, it's fine for me. For your edges, you can use the Wetline Xtreme gel as well to really design it however you want. It is a personal preference, or if you have an edge control that works for your hair, go right ahead. And now this is where I put the final ponytail on my hair. So in total, I only have the rubber band and this final ponytail. I didn't want to leave my hair out in a puff, so I just tucked it under. And then I tied my hair down. I let this stay on for like 10 minutes or however long you wish to dry. And then I remove it. And this is what we have, ladies and gentlemen. Neat, sleek, and laid. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Bye guys.